Okay, dear. Good afternoon. Today we are going to start a new chapter in history. What are you? This is the fourth ritual. Okay, no matter if you are writing. So in this we will start. We are going to start a new chapter that is the European society. Okay, nationalism in Europe. Or after that there are two chapters in your syllabus on history. One chapter is nationalism in India. Okay. So first nationalism in Europe. To how to the nationalism feelings or emotions is started inside the Europe. So first there is at the starting beginning of the chapter there is the one picture is given that was made by the Frederick Sorio was the utopian vision means the imagination. Utopian means होता है imagination काल्पनिक. So there was a imagination picture made by the French artist who was born in 1807 and died in 1887, and he made a picture where he inspired the European society for a socialist, for a republic. Like there are many philosophers, artists, like in Indian Revolution or in for a Indian nationalism, play the important role. You are studying class 8 also or in your chapter 3. There were different pictures made by them, like a Bharat Mata picture, different type of symbols used by them, flag used by them. So like we can inspire through that. So through this they started the idea inside the European society to inspire the public for a democratic society or socialist society where the resources should be used by the society in place of the capitalist, because earlier time which type of society was running inside the European nation, that was the capitalist society. Yeah, most of the monarchy where the most of resources were used by the only few person. Yeah, we can say private property were constructed only in few end. So to recall this, first paragraph is given to your French society. To in French society, how this socialist feelings has come. France was the first nation where inside the European continent where the republic movement has started or revolution has started. The first time 1815 France was from the National Assembly. So in this first paragraph is completely related to class 9, or in this we recall the all content related to chapter 1 that we were studying class 9. Okay. So how to the movement was started. So in your book only few points are given related to French society. In French early time they were used the sir and madam word. So in place of that they started the citizen word only, common word for all. In place of that, Napoleon has made changes many, like he also made a such new measurement unit which was equal for all. Another one developed the means of transport by Napoleon, or that development also known as the Civil Code 1804 of Napoleon. We will discuss in details. So we are recalling the French society for a great chapter, and how to the nationalism feelings has started inside the French. So first point, French society in 18th century. Just a recall. French society in 18th century was divided into three categories. First state, second state, and third state. So what was the difference between the first, second, and third state? First state has the privileges rights. Privileges मतलब birth right, but after means the birth, those special right given to them only. Like after death of father, son became a ruler. Like after means the if they were in first state society, so they will not pay any type of taxes. So French society was divided into three categories. First category only clergy or father of church come in this society only. Church to related person or clergy mostly they come in this category. Second society, second state was the noble. Third society where the businessman, peasant, artist, shopkeeper, or different rest of society were part of that. So in this society, some are the educated and some may be the prosperous or wealthy compared than the other. So first two they will not pay the any type of taxes. First to enjoy the some specific privileges rights. So this make the French society as a unequal in this. So this was the dividation of society during the 18th century in French society. First paragraph is completed. Okay, but when a French society has thought about that changes should be required. So in every society, who will play the important role for changes? So you know, philosopher maybe play the important role for changes. So different philosopher has written the different types of book inside the French society. One was the Two Treaty of Government was written, Social Contract was written, Spirit of Laws was written. In this, where the laws are separated in different organs like a legislature, executive, and judiciary, some nations should be trained by only the trained judiciary. So this was the second period where in this society, growing of the middle class, where the philosopher was played the important role in this. So three philosopher name is given in this society, they are not required in class 10, but different books were written by them like a Two Treaty of Government, Spirit of Laws, and Social Contract. That was the famous book, Social Contract. So in middle class, there were the most of women are living there. Some were the educated, started their new job. So there different type of society were living in the France. Not only poor people or like this. Okay. And third one is the outbreak of revolution. So how to the revolution is started in French society. So France was the ruled by the Louis XVI. And how the outbreak revolution is started in France because first to state how to they pass the new law. You know they need a new laws for a taxes. They want to introduce the taxes on the French society for what? Because Louis XVI already in debt. क्योंकि ऑलरेडी सपोर्टेड टू द सराउंडिंग और अदर नेशन वार में उसने सपोर्ट किया था दैट्स व्हाई द टैक्सेस आर रिक्वायर्ड तो ही वाज इंट्रोड्यूस द टैक्सेस ऑन द पब्लिक और फ्रेंच पब्लिक तो दैट्स व्हाई व्हेन दे वांट टू पास ए न्यू लॉ तो votes are required. What was the way what was the process for voting? So there were 3 states and all states give the one vote. That was the system in French society. And in first 2 states, 300 representatives of each who joined the meeting. Or in third state, there were 600 representatives. So through this, revolution is started from there. Yes, revolution start होता है कैसे? Third state has refused the demand of first 2 states or why the National Assembly is called by assembly was called by the Louis XVI. So third state refuse the demand. Why? Because third state has the demand for each citizen will each representative will give the one vote. उन्होंने डिमांड रख दी कि अब वो सिस्टम नहीं चलेगा जो ओल्ड वन सिस्टम था कैसा कि फर्स्ट स्टेट सेकंड स्टेट थर्ड स्टेट तो फर्स्ट 2 स्टेट हैव द कॉमन राइट्स तो बोथ विल सपोर्ट टू ईच अदर श्योर ये दोनों एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करेंगे तो इनका एक वोट एक तरफ होगा और थर्ड सोसाइटी का विल बी अगेंस्ट होगा तो लॉ विल बी पास ऑटोमेटिकली ये दोनों कहेंगे वैसे लॉ पास हो जाएगा तो दैट्स व्हाई व्हाट हैपेंस दे डिमांडेड इनके 600 रिप्रेजेंटेटिव तो 300 ऑफ ईच इनके थे तो दे डिमांडेड कि ईच पर्सन ईच रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हैव वन वोट हर किसी के वन वोट होगी और हम सब वोटिंग करेंगे तो यू नो लुइस 16 डिसमिस द असेंबली or later on movement is started. So that was the date when an outbreak of revolution. वो सबका आपने लाइन में पढ़ा था, इसलिए थोड़ा रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर पा रहे हूँ मैं एक स्टोरी पढ़ा रहा हूँ यहाँ पे और जरूरी नहीं है कि ये सब आप लर्न करो बट दिस आर द थीम जहाँ से चैप्टर स्टार्ट होगा. तो यू नो आउटब्रेक revolution is outbreak started inside the French society. यहाँ से movement start होता है inside the French society. And France becomes republic in 1850. इससे पहले कितने ड्रामे आते हैं फर्स्ट व्हेन यू नो दे अगेंस्ट दे स्टार्टेड द मूवमेंट तो रूलर लुइस 16 एग्री फॉर द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मोनार्की बनता है पहले तो वहां पे मतलब सम रिप्रेजेंटेटिव में भी कंट्रोल ऑन द मोनार्की ओके आफ्टर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मोनार्की से भी सेटिस्फाइड नहीं हो तो दे डिमांड फॉर द कन्वेंशनल असेंबली इन फ्रेंच सोसाइटी फिर वहां पे 1850 में कन्वेंशनल असेंबली बनती है तो you know in conventional assembly form होती है and after conventional assembly तो they demand for the republic nation where the rights should be given to each and every citizen so they started the different organization they started the different distribution, तो women से started, because early time all were not educated, तो how do they spread their message? कोई भी होता था वो आर्टिकल किसी भी चीज को loudly read करता था, it message will be spread to others, वैसे सब तक मैसेज कन्वे किया जाता था. तो in this way when they started, तो different organization, different, तो early time club were run inside the Prince Society. क्लब बहुत ज्यादा होते थे. तो one famous club was the Jacobin Club in the Prince Society. Jacobin Club सबसे famous club था, और during whom was the leader of Jacobin Club, Robespierre Jacobin. On the name of the Robespierre Jacobin Club inside the Prince Society, and they started the different discussion inside the clubs for the changes, society में changes, how to become a republic कैसे बनेंगे, और like for their rights. So they started the discussion inside the, and that discussion also done by the those who were educated in the third stage, middle class. They also play the important role. So you know, after that they formed the government in Prince Society, and who was the leader of government? Robespierre. When Robespierre formed the government inside the Prince Society, पूरी स्टोरी चल रही है Prince Society से related कि how to the Prince Society complete republic कैसे बना. तो when you know Prince Society, Robespierre formed the government, and Robespierre started the misuse of power. Suppose any one person who not satisfied the Robespierre policy, or when anyone maybe criticize the Robespierre policy, तो Robespierre sent to the such person to the guillotine machine. ये भी है. गिलोटिन मशीन क्या होती है? एक मशीन था जिसका इनोवेशन किया गया, उससे क्या बॉडी से आपका जो ये पार्ट है ये कट के अलग हो जाता था. इट वाज इनोवेटेड बाय द गिलोटिन, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नोन एज द गिलोटिन मशीन. तो यू नो Robespierre is sent to the guillotine machine those people who criticize or not agree with the Robespierre policy. Same thing happens with the Robespierre at the last. Robespierre के साथ भी वैसे हुआ जैसा उसने दूसरे के साथ किया. तो that period in Prince Society is known as the Reign of Terror 1793 to 1794. 1793 से 1794 के पीरियड को Robespierre. तो what Prince Society has thought about that कि earlier we made the only give the power to the single hand, and he misused the power, so why not this time power should be given to the 5%. तो that system in Prince Society is known by the directory rule. तो directory rule is started where the 5 committees take the decision. So many times what happen when a 5 person may be sitting, or different institution may be play the important role, and they unable to take the decision. Sometimes this happen कि 3 may be in favor of any decision or 2 may be against. तो it create the political instability. इससे क्या होता है, किसी भी कंट्री में पॉलिटिकल इंस्टेबिलिटी आती है कि कभी कभी 5% एक साथ डिसीजन नहीं ले पा रहे, 4 एग्री हो रहे, 1 नहीं हो रहे, सबको वीटो पावर है. तो इट क्रिएट द पॉलिटिकल इंस्टेबिलिटी, यानी कोई भी डिसीजन वहां सही नहीं होता है, प्रॉपर इम्प्लीकेशन नहीं होता है किसी चीज का. तो नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट गेट द बेनिफिट ऑफ दिस डायरेक्टरी रूल. इस डायरेक्टरी रूल का बेनिफिट लेते हुए नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट ने क्या किया, फ्रांस को अपने अंडर कैप्चर कर लिया. ओके, but against same system happened. Napoleon Bonaparte also misused the power. He appointed their relative at the higher post. Napoleon Bonaparte से related तो आपके 10th में, और वहाँ 9th में कुछ भी नहीं था, वहाँ इतना सा था. Napoleon Bonaparte he was defeated in Waterloo. Okay, in 1804 civil court, तो कुछ there are something where the Napoleon Bonaparte was very good, like he against the, suppose he promote the slavery movement, but he also there were many innovations done by the Napoleon Bonaparte, जैसे means of transport developed by the Napoleon Bonaparte, and he against the privileges rights, जो birth right होते थे उनके भी against था Napoleon Bonaparte. And Napoleon Bonaparte also innovated the innovations of the measurement, उनसे सबका innovation किया. तो there different things are given in your book regarding the Napoleon Bonaparte. तो Napoleon Bonaparte defeated in Waterloo, इतनी डिटेल. अब after that directory rule, later on Prince Society started the movement for a republic. So okay, till now we have discussed how to the Napoleon Bonaparte started the rule inside the Prince Society, and when he was defeated in directory rule, later on the elections conducted inside the France, and new government form and France completely republic. Okay, पूरी तरह से रिपब्लिक बन जाता है फ्रांस. And after that, at the last paragraph, it is given abolition of the slavery movement. So slavery movement was common at that time because most of countries were colonial part of the European nations like India, West Indies, Sri Lanka. ये सब colonial nations थे. China, USA also. USA ये सब. So what happens? There were many slaves, maybe that shifted one place to another for a plantation work, for a mining work. जैसे अफ्रीका में ले गए तो वहाँ पे मेन ऑक्यूपेशंस क्या है? डेयरी एंड माइनिंग. डेयरी कुछ एरिया में जैसे शिप और मेरिनो शिप फेमस है वहाँ की. पश्मीनो जम्मू कश्मीर है, मेरिनो फ्रॉम साउथ अफ्रीका. तो माइनिंग इज द कॉमन वर्क इनसाइड द अफ्रीका. तो मैनी सेपरेटेड इन दैट साइड. अर्ली टाइम देयर वर नो सच टेक्नोलॉजी. तो many slaves separated in that area. So they started the slavery movement. So more the different government will play the role for the slavery movement. So there are three given. First one, Robespierre banned the slavery movement. Again government has started. Napoleon Bonaparte promoted the slavery movement. Slavery movement से उसने promote किया. And finally France government has banned the abolition of the slavery movement in 1848. It not concerned with your slavery. Okay, but what everyday life in French society? So everyday life in French society, all are enjoying their life. They are enjoying the censorship is banned. All are getting the equal right. They means that they can move freely inside the French society. So that was the last paragraph. अब regarding that जो first paragraph था उससे related जो in French society. So there was the one paragraph is given related to different pictures. So different symbols were used by the French artists for to motivate the nationalism. So what were the different symbols used by them? अब ये तो मैंने फ्रेंच सोसाइटी में कैसे नेशनलिज्म फीलिंग्स स्टार्ट हुई, I will explain. So what were the different symbols used by them? Like if you see one type of broken, it was given broken chain, it means the slaves are free. Okay, another one darkness, light will become. हमेशा जरूरी नहीं है कि हमेशा किसी जगह darkness मतलब एक जैसा पीरियड रहे. टाइम विल बी चेंज, टाइम हमेशा चेंज होता है. darkness का मतलब होता है जैसे अर्ली टाइम इंडिया वाज द colonial part. Or later on we start the freedom of different movement like 1857, 1942, Operation Subversive movement. So after that enlightenment enlightenment का मतलब freedom मिली से this type. Sign of royal power. So when we see the sign of the royal power, so we start the movement, or maybe we are part of the, we are controlled by the royal or maybe the monarchy system. So we may be motivated when we see. So different sign used by the French artist. Another one, ring, like this. So through the ring we can say a ring system like a monarchy system होता है. Why? Because we can't say कि when it will be end or when it will be start. जैसे रिंग के अंदर हमें पता नहीं चलता कि कहाँ से स्टार्ट होगी और कहाँ पे एंड होगी. वैसे मोनार्की सिस्टम का कब पता थोड़ी किसी को कब when it will be end or when it will start. तो like a ring ऐसा होता है. Another one sign is given like a bundle. Anyone can maybe broken the single rod, but no one can broken the bundle. It is sign of unity. Another page it is given. Both books are having the same pages. It means all are equal in front of law. Like another one, red, blue, and white color is used for the national flag. Another one, winged birds also used for means the when we enjoy, when we become a republic, we can enjoy our rights. हम हमारे rights को इनको enjoy कर सकते हैं. Okay, so these are the different symbols used by the French society. So in this a picture is given at the beginning of chapter. अब वही आ जाते हैं. At the beginning of chapter a picture is given which made by the Frederick who was the France artist, and he made the picture where the Statue of Liberty also mentioned. Or there are many nations who have started the movement for the socialism or for movement for the nationalism in this society. So many may be inspired. Or at the beginning, your French society history has been. So we have completed first unit only, first unit of this chapter. So if you have any doubt, you may be asked regarding the French society, regarding that. After that, we will start the next unit. That is, suppose we have completed here the French Revolution and idea of nation also given by the French society. Or tomorrow we will start the making of nationalism in Europe. 2. Every day we will take the 1 or 2 unit only. This is suppose any one unit may be smaller, so we can take 1.5 single unit per day. So tomorrow we will start the making of nationalism in Europe, and who are further making of nationalism in Europe. What is liberal nationalism stand for? Okay, tomorrow we will start second. The making of nationalism in Europe. So new flag was said. So when any nation become a republic, so they can enjoy their rights. They can form their societies what according their need. Just we have divided state later on. When we feel third unit also required for our nation, so we have formed the local government also. So when any one nation become a republic, so they can enjoy their rights. Or another one concept also given not in French society but in Russian Revolution, there was the concept given by the Karl Marx, cooperative based society. By the hard work of the labor, profit come through the hard work of labor only. So it not should be shared only to the owners, it should be shared among the different labor also. So these are the different concepts given by the different philosophers, and we have studied about that. So without philosopher, without the regulation, when a changes is possible, when we study the any article, because how do we spread the ideology of the nationalism? Where is the feelings of nationalism? ठीक है. अब फीलिंग्स कैसे होते हैं? इमोशंस होते हैं. व्हेन वी सी द इंडियन फ्लैग, एक फीलिंग्स आती है डिफरेंट. कभी हम कुछ चीज देखते हैं, फीलिंग्स आते हैं, इमोशनल नेशनलिज्म वाली फीलिंग्स आती है. बट हाउ डू वी स्प्रेड द आइडियोलॉजी ऑफ नेशनलिज्म? इट इज पॉसिबल थ्रू द pamphlet, it is possible through the article, it is possible through the newspapers like this. तो इसी के थ्रू एक फीलिंग्स डेवलप होते हैं नेशनलिज्म. तो इस चैप्टर बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, चैप्टर विल कंटिन्यू. हम इसको कंटिन्यू करेंगे. इफ यू एनी डाउट, जो फर्स्ट यूनिट आज स्टडी की, यू मे बी आस्क्ड टुमारो. आप हर दिन का डाउट दूसरे दिन स्टार्ट बिगिनिंग ऑफ द पीरियड हो सकते हो, क्योंकि आज जाओगे घर पे भी आप देखोगे, फिर उसके बाद और रिवीजन चल रहा है. तो इसको मतलब जैसे पॉइंट लेके मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया ना, इसलिए ऐसा ही करेंगे, क्योंकि वो तो है नहीं कि चैप्टर स्टार्ट हो रहा है तो रीडिंग करवाएंगे और व्हाटएवर. तो रिवीजन में तो वही है. यू मे बी हैव एनी डाउट, यू मे बी आस्क फ्रीली. ओके डियर, अब आप कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं?